If you're experiencing repeated payment declines on Discord, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check payment method. Ensure that your payment method is valid and has sufficient funds. Verify that the card or account details are entered correctly, including the expiration date and CVV code. Step 2. Update billing information. Log into your Discord account and navigate to the billing section. Update any outdated billing information, such as your address or payment method, to ensure it matches what your bank has on file. Step 3. Contact your bank. Sometimes banks may block transactions for security reasons. Contact your bank or credit card provider to check if there are any holes or issues with your account that could be causing the decline. Step 4. Try a different payment method. If the issue persists, consider using a different payment method. This could be another credit card, a debit card, or even a payment service like PayPal if it's available on Discord. Step 5. Reach out to Discord support. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, contact Discord support for assistance. Provide them with details about the payment decline and any troubleshooting steps you've already taken. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve repeated payment declines on Discord. If problems continue, staying in touch with support will help you find a solution.